Hello, my name is Gretchen van der Spek, and at TIAS, I'm responsible for career development and alumni relations. As a professional, you know that continuous personal, professional, and network development is essential. At TIAS, we believe in lifelong development. With more knowledge, better skills and competences, and a broader network, you will be able to go out again and again and create impact. Impact on your own life, the organizations you work for, and society as a whole. As I often say, we offer lifelong development because it's not only what you know, but also who you know and how you deal with others and yourself that enables success. Based on input we've received from our current Executive Masters participants, we have now created a challenging package of personal development workshops for you during your studies. The workshops are persuasive presenting, impactful communications, managing team dynamics, and negotiation skills. We have selected the best lecturers out in the field. Find out which workshops best suit your personal development needs. Should you decide to participate in all 4 workshops, you will only need to pay for 3. For more details, dates, and registration, please visit the TIAS website at www.tias.edu/agenda. Thank you.